All right, I'm at the CNC Racing booth, and this is the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. Obviously, I'm super familiar with this, but there is absolutely no shortage of bling by CNC Racing for this bike. If you can look at the winglets, even the screws that they have in place with the button heads, looking awesome on this bike. Wrapping around, even over here, they have some carbon fiber coming down. There is a ton of bling that you can put on this bike, even the spacers and everything else. Look at, they've even replaced those inlets and the fins. Like, there is no shortage of bling on this bike. Look what they've replaced up top here in the front, and even here and along even the guard, which just looks like a pretty good guard. So there's quite a bit of bling here. When we come down, let's look over here. Looks like we have a dry clutch in here. More bling. I mean, I have never seen a Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak with so much bling on it. I mean, all of the accents on this bike are completely amazing, right down to the back of the fan. This is actually quite amazing to see the amount. Now, this tail tidy, I think, is probably the best thing on this bike, to be quite honest with you, because the one that it comes with looks like shit. This one, they're so much smaller, more compact. It comes back and it really looks good, and I don't think you're going to have the problem you have with the stock one where the exhaust comes out and it discolors the right hand side over here. So this is looking absolutely awesome. Didn't even slick at this side yet. Well, that chain really sets it off too with all those colors. But again, even the bottom over here, every single component, there is no shortage of bling on this Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. I mean, look at this. Look at the detail on this from CNC Racing. Wow.